Create these type of viral 3D logo. Go to Logo Diffusion. Click on Get Started for free. Sign up with email. Here is the interface of Logo Diffusion. Here are the 4 options: text to image, image to image, image to vector, image upscaler. Now this video is how to create the 3D logo. Then I am clicking on image to image. Click here and upload the image. Adjust the image and click on confirm. Choose the style, click on 3D art and choose the stylized 3D. Enter the prompt. Click on generate. What compelling results are coming? Click on download to download the image. Try with another prompt. Again choose the style. Click on generate. Beautiful results are coming.